na African Eye Imaging Center eye adwumaku ansha abayase nanso ma yenya meso adwuma pa wa konto asosuku ahodo mu ene wo kwakwa ya adesuafo no wo mani emu nhwehwemu na wo yade ahodo bi a wo ye sickle cell tumi ma eka wani ena wo ye diabetic nso a etumi meka wani enti eno ne ye sickle cell retinopathy ena afa diabetic retinopathy na wo ye sa nhwehwemu ni wie ye no abeto dwase nkwada na ewo ento asosuku mu no dodo no asa sickle cell ni enti anwe bedumre bi no na aka wo mu ani enti abata mu ani nko ma ho na emprempre ya no won hwe na won pe anu mu aye ema wo no
Esichire yade ene sickle cell yade eye yade a etimi ede anifra ebre odasani eno aka ho bi ama Dr. Akwasi Ajiman Ahmed a oye co-founder ene CEO ema medical NGO African Eye Imaging Center ede atudwa akiremu se wo hwehwemu a woyeye ede fa asuafo bese empem aduonu ene akire ho ewa Asante mantemu ewo sickle cell yade no ho no ebeto dwa se enipa ahanu ena wo sa yade ni bi wogina so ede kokobo ama se saa yade yi ebetimi ama saa nkofukoi enya enifa yade.
The screening kwa bebre close to 50,000 and I report such as bebre na wo sickle cell retinopathy na bebre na so type 1 I just omunya ya refer mo I just omunya treatment. Okay, you will not find any number like this anywhere in the world. Okay, so it is a disease we have and we have to manage it accordingly. If a child gets blind, it means that they are going to be blind for more years than an adult.
Ninkase mu na ochem se Asante mantem ha no anifra enam esiche yade so ene sickle cell yade so no hospital kuma bi a ewo Asante mantem ha na etimi esa ni nyina mu no eho eka no esom Ghana sika no 12,000 ade ekosi 20,000 Ghana cedis.
The one is diabetes. No, Ghana, there will be 8% prevalence of diabetes, and I bet 2% of sickle cell. But when you develop an eye condition from diabetes or sickle cell, sometimes it requires surgery, and the surgery is very expensive. In Confanoche, the surgery can cost as much as 12,000 cedis and above, and sometimes the vision is not guaranteed depending on the stage. So the whole idea is to create awareness, create publicity, provide the avenues and the means to get screened so that people do not get to that stage.